On the night of November 26, 2008, a wave of terror swept through Mumbai. 10 heavily armed terrorists belonging to the Lashkar-e-Taiba unleashed a coordinated assault on multiple locations. Iconic landmarks were targeted, including the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, and the Oberoi Trident Hotel. The relentless gunfire and explosions continued for 3 days, trapping innocent civilians and tourists. The death toll reached a staggering 166, including 6 Americans, and hundreds more were injured. The world mourned with India, condemning the heinous act and calling for justice. The attacks exposed the vulnerability of soft targets and the growing threat of terrorism. The Indian government, along with international agencies, launched a thorough investigation to bring the perpetrators to justice. The investigation revealed meticulous planning and execution with links to Pakistan-based terrorist groups. Among those implicated in the Mumbai attacks was Tahawwur Rana, a Pakistani-Canadian businessman. Rana, born in Pakistan and holding Canadian citizenship, ran an immigration services company in Chicago, a seemingly innocuous profession that masked his sinister connections. Investigations revealed that Rana was no ordinary businessman, but a key facilitator of the Mumbai attacks. Rana's association with David Coleman Headley, a Pakistani-American terrorist, proved to be pivotal in the plot. Headley conducted reconnaissance in Mumbai, scouting target locations and providing vital information to the Lashkar-e-Taiba operatives. Rana, leveraging his business as a cover, provided logistical support to Headley, facilitating his travel to India and elsewhere. He was accused of being aware of Headley's true intentions, and of providing material assistance, including financial aid, to further the terrorist plot. Prosecutors alleged that Rana was privy to the plans and shared the Lashkar-e-Taiba's ideology, making him a willing participant in the conspiracy. India charged him under various sections of the Indian Penal Code, including criminal conspiracy, waging war against India, murder and forgery. The pursuit of justice for the victims of the Mumbai attacks led to an international manhunt for the perpetrators and their collaborators. Tahawwur Rana was arrested in the United States in October 2009, marking a significant step towards accountability. India, determined to bring Rana to justice on its soil, initiated extradition proceedings. Rana's trial in the United States concluded in June 2011, with a Chicago court finding him guilty of providing material support to the Lashkar-e-Taiba, and for his role in a foiled plot to attack a Danish newspaper. He was, however, acquitted of the more serious charge of conspiring in the Mumbai attacks. In January 2013, Rana was sentenced to 14 years in prison. India's pursuit of Rana's extradition continued despite legal hurdles and diplomatic complexities. The Biden administration in the United States signaled its support for the extradition, recognizing the gravity of the charges. Rana, fighting to avoid extradition, launched a series of appeals in the U.S. courts, all of which were ultimately denied. With the Supreme Court's decision, the path was cleared for Tahawwur Rana's extradition to India. His arrival in India marks a significant development in the pursuit of justice for the 2008 Mumbai attacks. Rana is currently being held at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Los Angeles, awaiting his imminent transfer to Indian custody. The extradition holds immense significance for India, both legally and symbolically. It signifies the resolve of the Indian government to hold accountable all those involved in the attacks, regardless of their nationality or location. Rana's trial in India is expected to shed further light on the conspiracy behind the Mumbai attacks. Indian investigators believe that Rana possesses crucial information about the planning and execution of the attacks. His testimony could potentially unravel a wider network of support for the Lashkar-e-Taiba and expose the role of state actors in aiding the terrorists. The trial of Tahawwur Rana in India is not merely a legal proceeding, but a testament to the resilience of a nation determined to confront its demons and ensure that such acts of terror are never repeated.